Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here at the second place we have grid lines, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and here in the preview now we have these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real photo, so they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the left corner settings, slide down again to the useful features and use this button with grid lines to turn them off. So for now, in the preview, they have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.